Hi, the question mentions that x squared plus y squared minus 22x minus 20y plus 221 equals to 0. Find x times y, assuming that x and y are positive real numbers. So when I look at the term that we have here, I see that there is no x times y in the expression. So this gives me kind of a hint that x and y are not related to each other, and we can separate x and y's in this big term that we have here. Before starting the separation process, I want to use one hint in this problem, and the hint that I use is x minus a squared is equal to x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. So I'm looking for a similar term in our main expression that we have here. So if I go back to the main expression, I see that I have x2 minus 22x. So if I compare this term with this term, it kind of gives me a hint that 2ax is equal to 20. So from this, I can conclude that a is equal to 11 and a squared is 121. So this is one term that I write, and plus, now I got rid of x squared minus 22x and part of this term. And I will now go to the other terms that I have which are related to y, and I will write y squared minus 20y. And again, if you compare this term that we have here with the hint term that I showed before, we can conclude that a is equal to 10 and a squared is 100. So I can write this term like this, and this is equal to 0. And we know that this one plus this term is equal to 221. So there is no remaining expression in the main expression. X squared, y squared minus 20 times minus 22x minus 22x minus 20y minus 21, and the summation of these two is equal to 221. So I will now use again the hint to convert these terms to their square term, and this will give me x minus 11 squared plus y minus 10 squared is equal to 0. Now if you look at these terms, we have 1 squared and this 1 squared equal to 0. We know that every squared number is greater than or equal to 0, so we have two terms here that greater than or equal to 0, and the summation of these two terms are equal to 0. So the only possibility that we have is that this term is 0 and this term is 0. So both terms are 0, and from this I can conclude that x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 10. And in this scenario, x times y is equal to 110. Yeah, this is the final answer and the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more content like this.